right, so we're looking at law of sines and cosines quiz review. Number one, the first thing I did was label all the sides A, B, and C. And then I saw that I needed to find little c. So then I used c squared equals 8 squared plus 5 squared minus 2 times 8 times 5 cosine 78. I got 72.36. And then I took the square root and I got 8.5 as my answer.
Can you round up?
Yeah.
You got 9.
Yeah, if you get 9, you're fine.
You want
No, I wouldn't mark you down. Are we listening in the back? Shh. I want to answer as many questions as I can, but I want to be able to hear them all. And I want you guys only be talking about the quiz now. Okay. Number 2. I labeled all the sides first. I figured I'm finding angle A, and I knew this by looking at number 2 right here. I'm looking for angle A. And so I plug this into the angle A formula, which is going to be on the board. So I get 17 squared minus 14 squared minus 10 squared all over negative 2 times 14 times 10. It's the cosine of negative 1. I put that all in my calculator at once. Just remember, guys, to hit Control Divide, and it makes the fraction for you on the calculator, and it's really easy. And you get 89 degrees.
Will you mark this down if you don't mark it?
Hold on one second. 2 people are asking me a question. Braylon, what?
Will you mark this down if you don't mark the signs?
I don't care. Kayla? Exactly 5, just like the review. Okay. Number 3, we had to use law of sines. So first I mark my sides. I've got little a, little b, little c. I'm trying to find little b, and I have angle and side for c. So I'm going to use sine of 65 over b equals sine of 38 over 4. It doesn't matter which one you write first. I cross multiplied, got 4 sine 65 equals b sine 38, divided by sine of 38, and got 5.89.
You just want to mark the 9?
Yeah. You can if you wrote 5.9, I would give you full credit on this for sure. If you wrote 6, I'd give you full credit. Okay. Number 4, it's where we have to find the angle. So again, I'm labeling it little b, little c, little a. I am looking for angle C. I have B's side and angle. So I'm going to say sine of C over 3 equals sine of 78 over 6. Cross multiply, I get 6 sine C equals 3 sine 78. I divide by 6. Why don't I take sine with me? I'm trying to find the angle. I can't take that sine with me because it has a C afterwards, not a number. Okay? So I get sine C equals 0.4890. I take the inverse sine, that should be a negative 1 right there, and I get 29 degrees. Okay? Number 5, the first thing I notice is I can't do anything without this angle for B. So I go 180 minus 49 minus 23. And I get 108. Okay? Then I can use sine of 108 over 87 equals sine of 23 over C. I cross multiply, I divide, and I get C is 35.74. Questions? Okay, let's look. I'm just going to go over the answers pretty quickly for this packet because your quiz does look just like that review. The odds for the packet, number 1 is 7.04. Number 3 is 28.9. Number 5 is 18 degrees. Number 7 is 30.19. Number 9 is 19.02, excuse me. Number 11 is 137 degrees. 13, 15, and 17, you won't have ones like these on the quiz where you have to find more than one thing. 13, you had to find angle 22, angle 52, and C is 33.04. Number 15, the angles are 79, 61, and 40. And number 17, the angles are 28, 25, and little b is 17.99, or you could have put 18. Questions about any of these? All right, you guys can go ahead and put everything in your backpack, put your backpacks and your phones up front, and we'll get started on the quiz.